Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. Get ready to experience the most powerful, versatile, and advanced Android tablet yet. Samsung has just unveiled the stunning new Galaxy Tab S9 series with game-changing upgrades. In this video, we'll explore all the exciting new features of these cutting-edge tablets and how they aim to be productivity powerhouses, mobile creative studios, and ultra-immersive entertainment hubs. From brilliant displays to S Pen capabilities to top-tier performance, the Galaxy Tab S9 is set to shake up the premium tablet game. Displays. First up, all Galaxy Tab S9 models now feature bright, bold, dynamic AMOLED 2X displays with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This makes everything from gaming to binging shows an absolute visual treat with incredible responsiveness. The 14.6-inch Tab S9 Ultra takes things further with the nitty-gritty details through a sharp WQXGA+ resolution, and the revolutionary Vision Booster tech automatically adjusts screen brightness based on ambient light conditions so you can use the tablet anywhere, even in direct sunlight. While all three tablets in the Galaxy Tab S9 series share high-end capabilities, their screen sizes make them optimal for different use cases. The standard 11-inch Tab S9 is the most portable option, making it ideal for people on the go who want an Android tablet that can be tossed in a bag and used anywhere comfortably with one hand. Stepping up, the 12.4-inch Tab S9 Plus hits a sweet spot between portability and screen real estate. The larger display enables more immersive entertainment and makes multitasking with side-by-side app windows effortlessly. The Plus model is the only variant that offers 5G connectivity for blazing fast speeds. Even though the expansive 14.6-inch Tab S9 Ultra is built for creators, artists, and power users who want the ultimate digital canvas. The huge AMOLED screen paired with the S Pen provides an unmatched level of detail and precision for illustration, graphic design, video editing, and more. The Ultra also packs the largest 11,200 mAh battery to keep you powered through a day of intense work or play. Design. Samsung has created a refined, minimalist design language this time around. You'll notice flatter edges, circular rear camera housing, and a more asymmetric bezel. Despite rocking large displays, the tablets still feel comfortable and portable in your hands. And for the first time in a Galaxy Tab, the S9 series boasts an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. So, feel free to get creative and productive by the pool or beach without worry. Performance. In terms of raw power, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip makes the Tab S9 series an absolute productivity and gaming beast. We're talking desktop-level performance that breezes through demanding apps, intensive multitasking, and graphics-heavy games without breaking a sweat. The Tab S9 series also introduces improved DeX mode for easier connections or external monitors and seamless multitasking in a desktop-style environment. S Pen and productivity. The included S Pen gets major upgrades like reduced latency down to just 2.8 milliseconds for even more natural writing and drawing. It's also been redesigned to prevent accidental clicks. And when it comes to unlocking your productivity potential, the Galaxy Tab S9 is built to enhance collaboration, creativity, and efficiency. Samsung Notes makes real-time collaboration seamless. You can also instantly convert handwriting to text across apps, multitask like a pro by opening multiple windows at once, and tools like Clip Studio Paint bring pro digital art capabilities along for the ride. Entertainment. With 4 tuned AKG speakers and Dolby Atmos support, entertainment comes to life on the Galaxy Tab S9 with true cinematic immersion. The large, vibrant AMOLED screens make games more engrossing and show more impactful. 5G connectivity makes blazing fast streaming and downloads for services like Netflix. And a front-facing dual camera with an ultra-wide lens makes video calls feel more natural and engaging. The Tab S9 series delivers ultra-premium entertainment engineered to suck you right in. Battery. Despite formidable power, The Tab S9 series still delivers excellent battery life and keeps you going at home or on the move. The massive 11,200 mAh battery in the Tab S9 Ultra lets you game, sketch, edit videos, and more without constantly worrying about recharging. When do you need to top up? 45 watts supercharging has you back up in no time, and you can even reverse charge your other devices through USB-C. With class-leading displays, swift performance, refined design, and versatile productivity features, the new Galaxy Tab S9 series represents Android's most compelling answer yet to premium tablets like the iPad Pro. If you want a powerful digital canvas for creativity, an immersive entertainment hub, and a portable productivity powerhouse, the Galaxy Tab S9 line has you covered. Stay tuned for our full review of Samsung's latest and greatest flagship tablets.